In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Twilio to Gohighlevel. We'll be doing this directly inside your Gohighlevel account, and the process is very straightforward. If you want to connect Twilio so you can manage communication features more efficiently inside Gohighlevel, just follow along carefully and you should have everything set up in only a few moments. To begin, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or workspace where you want this integration to be applied. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for your account settings, tools, and connected apps. From that left side menu, click on App Marketplace. This section is where Gohighlevel lets you browse and install available integrations, including third-party apps like Twilio. After the marketplace opens, move your attention to the search bar. Using the search bar is the quickest way to find exactly what you need, especially if there are a lot of apps listed. In the search bar, type in Twilio. As the results appear, select Twilio from the list. This will open the app's installation page, where you can review the connection option and begin the setup process. Once you're on the Twilio page, click Install to start linking it with Gohighlevel. Next, you'll be asked to select the sub-accounts where you want this integration to be used. This step is important because it determines which parts of your Gohighlevel setup will have access to the Twilio connection. Choose the appropriate sub-accounts based on your business needs or client setup. After making your selection, click Continue. This takes you to the confirmation stage, where Gohighlevel prepares the installation based on the accounts you selected. At this point, review what's being installed so you know the integration is being applied in the right place. Finally, click Allow and Install. This completes the process and authorizes the Twilio integration inside Gohighlevel. Once that's done, the connection should be active, and you'll be ready to move forward with the next part of your communication setup inside the platform. As a quick tip, after installation, it's always a good idea to double check that you selected the correct sub-accounts before using the integration in live workflows or messaging features. That can help you avoid confusion later and make sure everything is connected where you expect it to be. And that's it. That's how to connect Twilio to Gohighlevel.